5 tips to get your vehicle ready for summer. Air conditioning. A marginally operating system will fail in hot weather. Have the system examined by a qualified technician. Newer models have cabin air filters that clean the air entering the heating and air conditioning system. Check your owner's manual for location and replacement interval. Cooling system. The greatest cause of summer breakdowns is overheating. The cooling system should be completely flushed and refilled about every 24 months. The level, condition, and concentration of the coolant should be checked periodically. The tightness and condition of drive belts, clamps, and hoses should be checked by a pro. Oil. Change your oil and oil filter as specified in your manual more often, every 3,000 miles, if you make frequent short jaunts, extended trips with lots of luggage, or tow a trailer. Engine performance. Replace other filters, air, fuel, PCV, etc., as recommended more often in dusty conditions. Get engine drivability problems, hard starts, rough idling, stalling, diminished power, etc., corrected at a good shop. Windshield wipers. A dirty windshield causes eye fatigue and can pose a safety hazard. Replace worn blades and get plenty of windshield washer solvent.